So finally, Wipro mass hiring is again announced and only 9 hours left to apply for this opportunity because application is closing after 9 hours. But you have to understand, Cognizant also released the opportunity mass hiring, but that is also for just 9 hours, because 9 hours also, because after 9 hours Cognizant and Wipro application is closing and closing very soon. Just apply as soon as possible. But you have to understand, just understand each and everything and go and apply, hit the apply button and apply as soon as possible. But we want to benefit also, so please understand video, watch till end. You can see that COE Elite exclusive 2025 mass hiring, 25 batches eligible. You can see only 9 hours is left, but don't hit on apply now because you have to understand many things, otherwise you will regret it. Today is the last date, only 9 hours left, only freshers are eligible. You must have 60% throughout academics and one backlog is allowed at the time of the online assessment. And you can see 3 year of gap is allowed and candidates are expected to clear the backlog along with 8th semester. Means see, you are 25 batch student and your 8th semester will begins on May onwards, so you have to understand, you have to complete it as soon as possible. 2025 batches eligible, BTech compulsory degree, ME MTech 5 year integrated courses eligible. All branches of CSIT and circuit की जितनी branches means ECE, EEE, ECE, all electronic branches are eligible. Designation is project engineer. Round 1 is online assessment, aptitude, verbal communication, programming questions are there, and this is shortlisting, and this is elimination round. You have to prepare from here only. You can see that there is in detail written. And second round is voice assessment. Then third is business discussion. Means in business discussion there is not any group discussion. This is interview, means interview is there in third round. And fourth is HR round. And you can see here is terms and condition. Don't need to read this, just read this. If you are following criteria, just apply it. And you have to understand that in these opportunities you will not get to see the any specific tools, technology and programming language. You need to understand that if you are from CSIT and this is project engineer role, so there is only 1 year of service agreement, which is very normal thing. So you have to understand that you have to add tools, technologies, means IT programming language, because project engineer role is there. Coding is the mandatory, database and project management tool like Jira. You must have this domain in your resume, otherwise they will definitely get then definitely you will not get to see the any shortlisting mail. Please add this domain in your resume and please as soon as possible apply for this hiring, because only 9 hours left and this is pan India hiring, and maybe they will provide you 3.5 LPA package. So the next biggest opportunity is coming from Cognizant. See, Cognizant 2 hiring, I am telling you that first is the 25 batch and second is 23-24 batch is eligible. So I am telling you first 23-24 because only 9 hours left and today is the last day. 3 year full-time opportunity degree analyst trainee role is there. Full-time opportunity is this, and you will get to see the package minimum 4 LPA easily. And you have to understand that who is eligible, means 23-24 BCA, BSc computer science, IT software engineering, chemical, physics, electronics, all are eligible. 68 through academics. See, in 10-12 diploma 60% is mandatory, and in UG also, because round figuring is not allowed. You can see that if you have 59.9 you are not eligible, and you can see many rules are written here, you can read, and different multiple locations are there. Job description you can read. You have to must add this domain in your resume. You can add SOP, CSI, database, communication, WSI skills, and you can also add Microsoft Office suite, all suite, Excel, PowerPoint, Word. Please add those domain in your resume. So you can see that this is a analyst trainee multi-cloud role, and this is the other criteria. So this is the criteria of analyst trainee multi-cloud. You can see that, and other role is analyst trainee, same role but digital workspace service. See, you have to understand that all criteria is same, but the criteria in percentage is different. It means 50% in 10-12 diploma is mandatory, and in UG 49.9 is not allowed. Means only 50% throughout in academics is eligible. In which role? Digital workspace. And in multi-cloud you must have 60% throughout academics. So you have to understand all things are similar, but the percentage criteria is different for both roles, because 2 roles are there. You have to understand. So the mandatory thing, you have to understand, resume 2 page maximum, but I will suggest you please make 1 page resume, and passport size photograph you have to put in right corner, top right corner, and you can see that only registration. So you have to first see the mandatory document for registration, and after interview onboarding you can read, but first you have to register. So please register as soon as possible. 9 hours left. So Cognizant 2025 mass hiring, you all know, which is ongoing. So only 5 days are left. Multiple locations there, Gen C, Gen C Pro, Gen C Like, you all know, I don't need to tell you that 4 to 6.7 LPA is there, and you can see 25 BE BTech Means you all know about this. I already uploaded this opportunity and this is ongoing, so don't miss this opportunity. This is actively giving assessment interview mail to all candidates. See, if you are not applied earlier, so you have to apply now and you have to wait, because you are applying too late, so then definitely you will get to see the interview or shortlisting mail late, because already students are going through interview and communication technical assessment, aptitude assessment, and you are coming now, so you have to wait. Just apply it and please do research which type of question phase 1 phase 2 students got, and please be prepared, because definitely you will get to see the assessment mail, then communication, then aptitude, then technical. On the basis of round 2 you will get to see the Gen Z Next, Gen Z Pro. So you have to first prepare very strongly, and then definitely you will get to see the 6.7 LPA. So don't waste time, don't scrolling your emails, just hit the apply button and do preparation as per phase 1 phase 2 exam. So apply as soon as possible. Next biggest opportunity is coming from Capgemini. See, Capgemini is providing associate software engineer role, but here is written experienced professional, but don't see this, because here is written is the entry level with a foundation, and you can see that this is entry level job. Here is written keyword, just apply it, but you have to take referral first, otherwise you will not get to see more benefit. But take referral, you will definitely get to see the benefit, and definitely maybe if employer is good, you will get to see the direct interview mail, because in referral you will not go through the step-by-step process just like Cognizant mass hiring and other mass hirings. If you take referral, you will get to see the direct interview. So this is the main funda of referral. That's why I always say you to take referral. Just go to LinkedIn, search the specific company, go to people section, send them connection and send them mail that I want referral, send your resume and email ID. That's it. If they reply, then definitely will get to see the referral. But you have to message daily, not only one person you are just testing daily, and you are disturbing them. Just send daily to other employees. Okay, so please apply as soon as possible. If you did not get any referral, just click on apply now and apply as soon as possible. So the next biggest direct test opportunity is coming from Apna. Means QME is a next gen talent drive hackathon, or you can say challenge. So already 500 plus students already registered. 4th May is the last date and 4.5 LP is the CTC. So this is also giving you huge package and minimum 2 year of a. Just ignore this, yaar. Just ignore bond. You need a job, and this is sales trainee job, and you can see that very minimum and very basic work you will do in this organization. You did not need to advance, and even if you don't have any knowledge, you can register it. 23 to 24 mean 23, 24, 25 batches eligible, 50% minimum throughout academics, because you have to understand there is 3 role like graduate sales engineer trainee, sales engineer management trainee. So both criteria. So all 3 criteria are different. Like MBA is mandatory for sales management, and BTech is mandatory for graduate, and sales graduate trainee, any graduate means any graduate are eligible, any degree, any branches are eligible in 3rd category. And in 2nd role, BTech students are eligible. 23 to 25 batches eligible in all 3 roles. So you have to understand that only freshers are eligible in all 3 roles. Just add these domain in your resume, copy as it is and paste in your resume. Round 1 is, you can see that pre-screening for submission, and you can see aptitude, then direct interview. Nothing critical, nothing longer is there like round 1, round 2, round 3 and round 4 is there. No, only round 1, round 2, that's it. And after that you will not get to see any HR round, because there is only 2 rounds, onboarding and training. That's it. You have to apply for this opportunity. 4.5 LP is there. Just apply as soon as possible. Freshers are there. Hit the register now and apply it. So you have to understand Cognizant 23-24 batch students hiring is closing soon. Like you can see that only 8 hours left now. So I am uploading as soon as possible. Just hit the apply button. If you watch video till end, just like this video, and thanks for watching.